This 2021 Dutchmen Yukon 400RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Ringgold, Virginia, 24586 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Danville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 42 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, smoke detector, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, auxiliary battery, external shower, air conditioning, TV, leveling jacks, refrigerator, and 162 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Dutchmen Yukon 400RL is 13,900 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.